So import the video, and now grab it, drag it, and grab it and drag it over the timeline. Now you need to go to the deliver tab or panel here, select the delivery panel, and then from here we can export the video. So here give a name to this file, and then if you want to change to MP4, what you have to do, you have to go to format here. In format, please click on QuickTime, and here we have different formats, and here we have MP4. Select MP4, and now you can choose the resolution, which resolution you like to use, and frame rate, quality. If you want, you can also choose this to load faster and upload to YouTube much faster. And now add to render queue. Select the location and just click on render all. And that's how you export MP4 in Davinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.